Remove makeup and use face wash to clean. Massage around cheek, nose area, and forehead. Dab cotton in toner and wipe the whole face with it. Soak thin layers of makeup cotton in blackhead expert liquids and apply them evenly on enlarged pores. While waiting for blackheads to surface, use Hydrafacial handle on forehead, nose wings, mouth corner, and cheeks to clean out dirt and gunks. Wipe face clean with a fresh towel or tissues. Spray the whole face and make sure it's moist enough for the cleaning scrubber to take effect. Press gently on the skin and slide upwards vertically on forehead. Move along the cheeks in lines as well. Wipe face clean again with a fresh towel or tissue. Plug in the device and connect the wires. Install the master gun and place it properly. Turn on the device. Choose language, swipe the ID card, and install the head of the probe. Bottle the glass with essence and install the glass on the handle. Adjust technical parameters including EMS and RF energy level. Click on the button to start. Brace the skin from jaw and extend to the whole face. Slide the probe along the facing lines and generally upwards. From jaw to earlobe, from nose wing to the middle of the ear. Try your best to make one line right next to another one so that you can make sure you've covered the whole face. During the process, make sure there's no air between the head of the probe and the skin. Brace the skin in the direction of jaw, cheek, eye, forehead, and nose. With the other free hand lifting to make the treatment surface tight and easier to slide down. Double the operation on where skin is especially dry. You might hear slight noise coming from the head of the probe, which is normal. Start from one side of the cheek and finish with the other one. Careful with the eye area because they're really sensitive. Gently move the probe upwards on forehead. apply hydrating mask for around 15 minutes afterwards. Take off the mask and wash or wipe face clean. Carry on with the regular skincare routine. Apply toner, essence, emulsion, cream, and sunscreen. Fully massage the face gently until they are absorbed into the skin.